Hello, today I'm going to be talking about adding and subtracting polynomials by Rosalia Carbonell and Alejandra Rivera.
I'm going to be teaching you some vocab words. Polynomial, more than one term. Standard form, writing in descending order by exponent. Degree of a polynomial, largest exponent. Coefficient, numbers in front of the variable. Leading coefficient, number in front of the biggest exponent.
Classifying polynomials by the number of terms: one term monomial, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial, four or more terms polynomial. By the degree: no exponent, constant. First degree, linear. Second degree, quadratic. Third degree, cubic. Fourth degree, quartic. And fifth degree or more degree is called by the number and then the degree. For this next slide, what we have to do is use the previous slide so that we can get the names of the numbers and the equations for the answer. For example, in the first one, the answer is quartic binomial. The answer is quartic binomial because the exponent is to the fourth power, and it is binomial because it has a plus in the middle. For the next example, we must do the same thing. Use the previous slide so that we can get the names of the equations and the powers. The answer for this one is cubic trinomial. For example number 2, we are going to be adding and subtracting horizontally. To do this, what we have to do is first look at the sign that both equations have in the middle. For example, A, the sign that both equations have in the middle is plus. When it has a plus, we rewrite the equation exactly the same as it is in the top. After we do this, we have to combine like terms. What that means is that we have to combine the numbers with the same exponent that has the same power and the same numbers that don't have exponents. For these examples, we can combine the colors that are the same. For example number 1, the answer is 4x to the third plus 4x squared plus 2x plus 2. Remember to always put your answer in standard form. That means to put the highest exponents in the front and the lowest exponents last, or the number that has no exponents. For letter B, what we must do is first look at the sign that is in the middle of the equations. In this one, the sign that is in the middle is minus. When it is minus, we have to change the second equation to the opposite sign. So for example, if it says 6x to the third plus 8, when we rewrite the equation, what we will get is 8x squared plus 5 minus 6x to the third minus 8. After we rewrite the equation, what we must do is combine like terms or combine the colors that are the same. Finally, our answer for letter B will be negative 6x to the third plus 8x squared minus 3.
Hello. This example is just like the previous example. We first have to look at the sign that is in between both equations. In this case, the sign that is in between is minus. When the sign is minus, you have to change the second equation numbers to the opposite sign. So when you rewrite the equation, it is going to be 6a to the third plus 12a to the second minus 15a minus 4a plus 12a to the third minus 8. After we rewrite the equation, we have to combine like terms or combine the colors that are the same. The answer is 18a to the third plus 12a to the second minus 19a minus 8.
For this last example, I'm going to let you try it on your own. If your answer was 2x squared plus 3x plus 1, then you got the right answer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.